Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about the USB-C outlets of the GOLABS R300. As far as I know, that's one of the latest devices, and I have already made a full review and I've been super happy with it. I would say it's one of the best options which you can get. I mean, it has some limitations regarding the capacity. It's limited to 299 watt hours because of the limitations from Amazon Prime. It's nothing to do with the brand, but overall, when we think about the capacity, all the features, everything, quality, what we can do, the power input, output and everything, it's one of the best devices which you can get. Also regarding the display, it has almost everything which you can think about, all the safety features and everything, and also regarding solar panel which you can use. So this video is only about USB-C input and output because it has been a little bit of a discussion. So we turn on the display here, it's charged to 99%, but doesn't matter. What's really important to know, this USB-C is working with up to 60 watts input and output, and you don't have to turn it on. You can just use it from here. You can see that here USB is actually turned off. Now it will be on. Now it's off, and I plug it in here. You can see it says USB-C, and then we can go and check regarding compatibility and everything. So it doesn't show any quick charge compatibility here without turning it on, but still we have PD 60 watts input and output, and I can definitely prove that it's possible. So we check for the PD trigger, what's available, up to 20 volts, 3 amps. So let's pick the 20 volts here and we increase that to 3 amps. And so let's start this thing here, and you can see it's really working. It shows up to, now exactly 60 watts, and you can see 19.79 volts, really high, 3 amps, really close to 60 watts, so definitely works. But what happens when we plug in the power, external charging power here, we plug it in and instantly the amps go to 0, but this is exactly what they have been writing in the instructions, that the 60 watts output can't be used for pass-through charging. When we have it plugged in, charge the device, we cannot use it for charge anything, not even, I think, at a lower amount. I'm reducing it now to the output, which is the same here on the second USB-C. The second USB-C, it's a little bit written very small here, but on the second one here it says 30 watts. So now we have 30 watts, but we are on this one here. So let's see if we can start it. Yeah, it's not possible, it always turns off. Of course, normally it would work when we have it unplugged, but as soon as we plug it in, it goes down to 0, and then it goes into automatically charging of this device and not testing this device. So it's exactly as it was described. So let's test this one here. And the thing, of course, here we cannot just plug it in. It's important to push the button, only then this second one will work. So now when we go to the check what we can do with the second one here, when we have turned on USB, and it also says USB-C, it shows some quick charge compatibility, not much, but it definitely shows the PD. So now for some strange reason it shows also 60 watts here on the second one. It's supposed to be 30 watts, and I had this before when I was running this on the second one here. It was showing 30 watts. So let's do this here. Yeah, maybe we'll have to release the trigger first. Yeah, we're testing here with the trigger, and it definitely confirms 30 watts. I don't know why it's saying in the protocol 60 watts. It cannot deliver 60 watts here. It can only deliver 20 volts at 1.5 amps. That's 30 watts. So let's check this. So we have here 20 volts, 1.5 amps, and let's start. And so we can see we have the 30 watts definitely. I mean, we can go back and I can show you that. Can see that here even on this device says more than 30 watts, so definitely here it's a little bit more. Yeah, it's 33, 34 even on this one here, so absolutely perfect. And when we plug it into charge, we can see that the power is still here, so that's definitely a total different thing here. With the second, the upper USB-C, we can still use the 30 watts while this is charging here this power station. So totally different functions here on the lower USB-C, which is 60 watts input output, regardless if we press this thing here, and here on the top we have 30 watts, but it's only working when we push it, but on the other hand it's also working when we charge the power station. So yeah, that's it for now. So let's cool this thing down. Yeah, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions on that, or you have made different experience with your own device, it would be really interesting to learn from you what's your experience. And but I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.